Creative Mark's micro mini detail brushes are a very useful tool for an artist that wants to get into tight spaces, that wants to do fine detail work, or the hobbyist. They're going to work with any water-based media. They're great with watercolors, acrylics, and even enamels. So if you want to do like miniature figurines, they're very good for that. And they're all made out of Golden Taklon hair. And the main thing that makes them so nice to work with are the thick handles. The handles are very comfortable to hold in the hand. It feels more like a pencil than a brush. And sometimes when you have brushes of this size, the handles can be very thin and they're just not comfortable to hold and you don't have the same control. So I'm just pulling up a 20 here. So it's, I guess, a minus 20. And just going to go through a little bit of different marks. I won't take up too much time, hopefully. Fluid acrylics, like I said, enamel, watercolors, whatever water-based media. And we'll just apply some color. Now, there are, this set comes with, several rounds, some fan brushes, a script liner. So this is the script liner. You can just see how long that is. And that will hold a lot of color, giving you the ability to do longer strokes without having to switch out or reload your brush. And I'm just going to kind of swirl that around a little bit. And you'll just see it holds a lot of paint and that long, fine detail brush. Hopefully that's coming up. I'm using yellow on white, so it might be a little hard to see. And then, for those hobbyists out there, I think it's important to just kind of demonstrate. We had this little car on hand, and I just thought, well, just for fun, let's try to put some patterns on it. I'm going to try to turn it into a mystery machine. So I'm just using some Turner acrylic gouache, and these are luminescent colors, which means that these would glow, that these will glow in the under black light. So, whatever you want to do, whatever kind of hobbies you have or painting techniques you have, if you're working in those tight spaces or want fine detail and excellent control, micro mini detail brushes. Thanks.